Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back. Now, today is day 7. We'll be working on meditation. If this is your first meditation, I want you to listen very carefully on my words. And if you're not really good with meditation, don't worry. Today, we're going to take it really slow. Okay? It's all about visualization today. And the theme for today's meditation is self-care. Now, we always care for ourselves by doing a lot of materialistic stuff like getting our manicure done, getting our hair done, drinking some nice coffee, having some nice brunch. But when was the last time you actually sit down and pay a little bit more attention to yourself? Today we're going to work on that. All right, we're going to dive in and just concentrate the breathing, the inhalation and exhalation, and just to feel the expansion and contraction on your body. Let's begin. So you can sit on any form of cushion if you have one. You can always sit on the floor, you can sit on the bed, up to you, totally up to you. Hands just placed on your knees very gently just to relax them. You don't have to go into any mudra today, just place your hands down. All right, so I just want you to just gently gaze to the front. It's like gazing far ahead of you. Just begin to notice your breath. Inhale through your nostril. And exhale through your mouth. And just feel more like that. Inhale. Exhale. And one more. Inhale. And on your exhale, just gently closing your eyes here. And coming into your meditation, ready to observe the sound surrounding you, the smell surrounding you. And even observe your physical sensation. Any wind brushes against your skin. And even feeling the different kind of temperature against your skin. And some part of your skin may feel a little bit cold. And some of your skin may feel a little bit warmer. And you're just going to take all this in, registering it, and going to let it go through your exhale. It's just to get to know your body, knowing your surrounding. Try not to hold on to any thoughts about it. Try not to engage with any thoughts about it. You just want to let it come and go like the sea in the ocean. Or maybe even the river, the water in the river. The stream just comes and goes. And we're going to gently bring the awareness into your body. If this is your first time visualizing your inner body, we're going to begin by observing, scanning from the top of your head, very slowly down to your eye, down to your nose, down to your mouth, your chin, your neck, your shoulders, and down to both of your arms, and feeling each and every single fingers. And now scanning from your chest, your abdomen, and all the way down to your hip. And continue to scan from your hip all the way down to your legs. And finally filling up all your toes. And we're going to take our second scan here. And this time we'll observe any comfort or discomfort feeling in your body. So begin to scan from the top of the head once again, gently, the same way how we did earlier, all the way down to your toes. And just take your time here. Any tight spot, or maybe the tiredness on your back. And once again, just to register this feeling, this sensation, without holding or without judging. Just take this moment to observe. And now you begin to focus on your body movement. And just feel that gentle expansion on your chest and abdomen when you inhale. And a gentle contraction when you exhale. And just like that again, inhale, feeling the body expanding. And when you exhale, just feel that gentle contractions like fall from your chest. Relax the shoulders if you have them tense. And it's just to observe your body. So you continue to relax each and every part of your muscles and just focusing on those gentle movements. And if your mind begins to drift off, or if you're currently thinking of something else, I want you to take a deep breath and bring your mind back to your intention. Bring your mind back to your breath. And also just to remind that it is completely normal to ride along with your thoughts. You just need to train yourself to bring that mind back into the body, back to your breath. Try your best not to analyze your thoughts too long. And if you're still with me in this meditation, I want you to just bring a gentle smile on your face. And now just imagine you're gazing in front of a mirror, looking at yourself, looking at the face, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the hair, and that beautiful smile on your face. What is the first word that comes to your mind when you're looking in the mirror, looking at yourself? And just not to look for the answer. Just let the answer just come into your mind and stick to that word. It could be anything. But to know that you're unique and special in every way. And go ahead, continue to look at the mirror, look at yourself. As long as you want, and start to observe. Whenever you're ready to come back to the center, let's begin to bring the awareness surrounding you again. Begin to get familiar with the sound or the smells or any sensation or any changes in temperature in your body and out of your body. And whenever you're ready, just gently open up your eyes a little bit and just pause here, looking forward. Just bringing the lights back to your gaze, back to your visual. And if you feel a little bit stiff here, you can always rotate your head to the right and to the left. Or maybe even roll that shoulders just to get all the senses back. Okay, well done guys. If you've stayed through the whole meditation, thank you so much. All right, and I'll see you guys tomorrow and come back here strong. Namaste.